Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second regular Sudoku in today's newspaper today's newspaper on Wednesday, Wednesday, January the 12th, 2022. We have here 3 regular puzzles. The first one I have solved, the binary. Second one I will do is a medium Sudoku, and after that I will do the killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. Sugu, I believe. Sugu, no, it's Sugu is tectonic. Well, let me look this up in the Wikipedia. Sugu, is this Japanese for tectonic or killer Sudoku? I do not know. I need to find this out. Okay. Anyway, Sudoku medium, regular Sudoku number 3967. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 1 star. 27 printed digits. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, we will see. So let's get started. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this column. The middle column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left in the middle column for the 7. Okay. 2 missing numbers now in the middle column for the numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this column. So no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8. And look, we have a 5 and 8 in this row. So no 5 and 8 in this box. The 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8. 5 and 8. So 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Okay. 2 missing numbers now in this row. Those missing numbers are: the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7. 3 and a 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here 7 in this row, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright, and now I cannot continue with the 7. Well, in a few seconds maybe. 1 in this column, third column. 1 in the first column. So in the column between the 1, the first column, and between the 3, the third column, yes, the second column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Okay, now I can continue with the 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Alright. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see the 1 there, 1 should be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Okay. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 2, 3, 9. Okay. That means in this column, we have 2 missing numbers, 2, 3, 9. What are those missing numbers then? We have the 1, we have a 2, we have a 3 here. The 4 is missing. We have the 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8. And look, we have a 2 and 8 in this middle row. So no 2 and 8 in this box. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Yes, a pair, 2 and 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 3. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Okay. Then let me see. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Okay. The 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this second column for the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. So we have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Alright. Then. How about the 8 in the last column? 8 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright. How about? Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Here we have 3 and a 4. So what are the other 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3 and a 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. Look, we have a 2 and a 5 in this column. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. Alright, 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6? No, 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6? No, 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6? No, 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8. This missing 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 2. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 5. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 8. Alright. Then. 2 missing numbers in the last row for the numbers. 1 is missing, 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Okay. 2 missing numbers here in this row for the numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Well, we have a 4 there, so no 4 here. The 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. So we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 down, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers. Again, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Faster than 50 minutes. Told you. For 1 star. That's my time limit. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the third regular puzzle, a killer Sudoku. See you then. Bye-bye for now.